My iPad was fixed, and I have no complaints. Service is perfect at Apple. I go to the Apple store, and they try to fix my function key. As you can see right here, this is not the Apple Silicon function key. They ship it to Texas, and I can't use it for 3 to 5 days. What do I use instead? iPad. I refuse to daily drive any other laptop that isn't Apple, even for 3 to 5 days. I get an email from Apple, it looks like everything looks good, until I see that I apparently have 256 gigabytes of storage in the email. What do? I go through Apple support via iMessage. I don't really like doing phone calls, and I prefer everything to be over chat or email. Alright, it's currently 1952, that is translated to 7:52 in Imperial, and we're about to get the phone call from Apple. So I usually get nervous with phone calls because I don't know why. Well, hopefully this goes well. I have the email pulled up right here so I know what to say, and wish me luck in the comments. Alright, it's 8 o'clock. Should be coming in at any second. Oh my gosh, Apple's late by 1 minute. They're literally late. Did they forget about me, or do they have so many customers or something with the same problem? Like, it's just one question. I don't know why it could not be answered over chat, as I said earlier. 2 minutes late. I expect better, Apple. I did say 8 p.m. Yeah, I understand if they're busy. 4 minutes late. Oh, they're calling. Hello?
Hello, this is the callback you scheduled with Apple support. If you're ready to speak to an advisor, press 1. To reschedule this call for calls are recorded for quality and training. If you prefer not to be recorded, press 1. Alright, the call won't be recorded. Thank you for contacting Apple support. My name is Erica. Can I have your first and last name, please?
William Gallegos.
Hey, William, how can I help you tonight?
So I booked I gave my MacBook in for a repair, and it says I have 256 gigabytes of storage when I have 512 gigabytes of storage in the email that I got. Is there any way to like confirm that it's 512 and not 256 when it comes back?
Okay, alright, I'll be more than happy to. Let me take a look here. Okay, alright, so I do have, let me see here. Alright, so it's already been mailed to the repair center, correct? And when you got the confirmation email, it shows that your device has 256 gigabytes of storage when it does have 512. Is that correct?
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah, I can check that out.
Okay.
Take a look at the repair here, and it could have been just a discrepancy on the advisor's end because we do have to manually type in that device information, and they could have just typed in the wrong thing.
Okay.
I'm gonna double check. I've set these up so many times that you definitely have to be careful to make sure that you're reading that information correct, or otherwise it's possible you could put in the wrong thing. But let me take a look here. Yeah, they put it, you have to manually type that in, so yeah, I put in the wrong thing because I'm looking at the repair and I do see the device itself, and according to the specifics on the device, according to the serial number, it shows that there's 512 gigabytes. So you're good. It was actually just a discrepancy.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just a discrepancy when the repair was set up or when everything was entered in. But yeah, according to the serial number on this repair, it does show that it has 512 gigabytes. So yeah, you're good.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You have any other questions or concerns that I can address for you?
No, thank you. Have a great night.
All right, same to you.
Thank you, bye.
Bye-bye.
That went pretty well, actually. So good. I'm still gonna have 512 gigabytes of storage, but we'll make sure of that. The next day was the Apple event, and this is how I watched it. Then the day after, which was the last day, I brought my sister's MacBook, since she did not have classes. Oh, looks like it arrived. Let's pick it up. Let's open this thing up. Tape is thick here. Is this like an Apple box? They want to be hard to open. Okay, that should be enough. Yep, it was. And there it is. The MacBook. Okay. Ooh, fancy. Kind of fancy wrapping. They gave me a little letter here. I'm not going to show the side since it shows address and serial number and stuff like that. And here it is. Let's take a look. Oh, they replaced the entire keyboard. Oh my gosh. They didn't. Oh wait, no, they did not. Yeah, at first it looked like they replaced the FN key bit. Looks like my data is here. Did they get the storage right? And now let's check the storage. Good, 512 gigabytes. Luckily they did not mess up there. So yeah, the FN key is fixed and now it works. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!